In this video, let's take a look at how we can perform lofting while using the compound objects inside 3ds Max. So in my scene, I have a simple line, a simple circle, an ellipse, and a simple box. And all these are made from line, circle, the rectangle was made, the box was made with the rectangle tool over here, and a simple ellipse. So with the line selected, I'll go under Geometry, Compound Objects. Now the whole idea behind lofting, which is over here, is you need to have a shape and a path that makes a 3D object for you. So you need to have both. So in this case, I'm going to use the line as my path. So I'll go to Loft, and I'll simply select Get Shape. So I'll go to Get Shape, and I'll select the circle first. And you can see the circle's right over there. I'll turn off my selection, so J is the selection around the object. Then I'll go to Modify, and normally the display skin, if you turn it off, it should not display the object over here, but in my case it's still displaying. What I'm going to then do is turn on snapping on the path, and I'll go to wireframe so we can see this. So you see that little X over there, that's where the object is. So that's 0 right now. So keep an eye on that. If I go to path 10, you can see it's snapped over here. If I go to 20, it's snapped over here. And I can change the snap to whatever I want, like 5 units, 10 units, 2 units, whatever. Now at this time over here, I want another shape, so I'll say Get Shape. And I can pretty much have the same shape right here. Then I'll go down maybe another 10 units, and I'll say Get Shape again, and I'll get again the same shape. Then I'll go down another, let's say around there, and I'll say Get Shape, and I'll purposely get like this one. And then I'll go down 80 units, and I'll say Get Shape, and I'll get the ellipse, and maybe around 100, and get shape and get the ellipse again. Now this is the kind of object it made for us, and you can clearly tell where all those objects are. Now the cool thing is you can go to your sub-object level shape, you can select these and you can modify them. So I'm selecting the third circle that I inserted over there, and I'm going to simply scale it. Then I'm going to select this box over here, and I'm going to rotate it right around there. Then I'm going to select the ellipse, and I can either scale it up, let's say scale it this way, and this ellipse over here, I can scale it down. I can also move them, so you can further modify an object anyhow you want, which is really, really cool. So I can take this one, take it up, take this slightly up, go here and scale this down. But that's how easy lofting is. So you're lofting different objects or different shapes on the path, and it's giving you this kind of an object which you can further go and nicely modify. To make any kind of tubes or any kind of objects like that, this is really, or even complex geometry, this is really, really a nice tool. So I can right now just go here and further start modifying this. So there you go, that's your lofting under compound objects.